This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Karen Snell. High demand Calusa Palms first floor, lakeside unit now available. The slightly used Key Largo Floor Plan unit is spacious with 2 bedrooms/2 baths, open floor plan, galley kitchen, great room area, primary suite with ensuite bathroom, private guest space, screened lanai, laundry room and 1-car garage. Fully equipped kitchen with wood cabinetry, pantry closet and breakfast bar makes entertaining fun and overlooks an inviting, open living room/dining room area with fantastic water and wildlife views. And you're going to love the sunsets. The primary suite offers a spacious, ensuite bathroom with dual sinks, separate shower and soaker tub. The entire condo building has been repainted and re-roofed. Easy walk to the popular Clubhouse and Community Pool where social activities abound with cornhole games, tennis, bocce and pickleball. The community is walkable with sidewalks inside and outside the gates. Walk/short drive to restaurant/food truck/brewery, coming soon, nearby. Calusa Palms is centrally located and so convenient to everything: beaches, Sanibel/FMB 20 minutes or less, shopping, airports, entertainment, downtown Fort Myers, etc. Submit an offer soon, don't miss out. For more information, review the details below.